actually backs up the rover to the last point where it had strong signal strength. This is the AI program we've written for that rover. It's pretty much a very simple program, by comparison, but it is a good example of artificial intelligence.
I was going to say, without that, it probably wouldn't have lasted a couple weeks, a month.
Well,
it's
I'm talking about the one we're building for the moon now. It's
okay.
a lunar micro rover. It's a 6.2 kilogram rover. It's very small. It's a short duration rover. It's supposed to go maybe at maximum a couple hours before it dies from heat fatigue. So I'm talking about the embedded system that's inside of the artificial intelligence that's designed to actually, if it loses radio communication, which means we can't control it, then it backs itself up to require communication because it doesn't know how to do the mission by itself. It can only do so much, but if it loses comms, it will come back and look for a signal. Or it'll be very disappointed. It'll get sad and cry in the cold lunar night.
So the nerds will be looking for a switch that is the blue switch.
The blue switch?
Yeah, so hence the color.
I like the blue switch.
Yeah. More so than the green or yellow.
Oh, yes, the blue switch is, just a question out there. How many angstroms is the color blue? Anybody know? Angstroms times 10 to the minus 10th? Is it 4,000 or is it 7,000 angstroms? It's a question for the audience.
Oh, you know what? And I forgot about this. If you can come up with a question for the audience, I have prizes.
You have prizes? Like the little food prizes? Wait, that's for us.
Well,
okay, so here that audience is audience involvement. So if anybody knows how many angstroms the color the color blue is, and if you can't figure it out, you can always do the math. You can reverse engineer it. Oh, he's pulling out food. Whoa, that one's wrapped.
Oh,
it says Love Daddy.
My wife did this because she knows I'd go through it and I'd pick out all the,
Love Dad?
Okay, we
Father's Day? That's not for your dad, is it?
Oh, that's an advertisement.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, what kind of contest are we going to do?
I think we should do a math question. Math question? Okay. Who knows what?
Oh, wait. Rules. First one in the audience comes up with the right answer, so you got to raise your hand and shout it out.
Let's see here. Let's something easy like just ask them what the value of E is to say 4 digits. You're not going to know that. You know the value of pi to 4 digits. They won't know the value of E. Okay. How about the value of? Who has the value of E? Anyone have the value of E? Yes. The blue question. Is it 85,000 acres?
For those that have no idea what we're doing, we're playing a game, and Mark asked people if they knew the value of E. Close enough?
What's the value of E?
Oh, was he in the ballpark? All right.
Tim, use the force. Use the force.
Yeah.
Force that thing out of there.
Different number for mind powers?
No.
What is the color blue in angstroms?
No. Not working. No.
Alright, well,
What's your name, young man?
how long do we have left? How much time?
It's right down here. I can't remember. It's
Whatever, six and a half minutes.
So we have 6.5 minutes to spin around.
And you want to 5,000?
Let's try our mind powers
Go
again.
find
Is that your final answer?
It's on live.
What do you say? You want to phone a friend?
find you can find a blue switch.
Don't tell me you're a 5th grader. Are you a 5th grader?
Yep.
You can't play this game. Okay, 1 angstrom is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 10. That's in meters, so it's like, 1 times 10 to the minus 10th power. But I'm going to write if no one else gives us an answer, and if that's the only answer, that will be the right answer. It will be the closest answer to the truth.
How long do they have to come up with an answer? Time's about up.
It's not your fault.
Okay.
Just pull it until it's back to the surface.
It's not his final answer. It's not his final answer. He wants to phone a friend.
Oh,
Well, hold on. If nobody else gives an answer, I'm gonna come back with the correct answer in a minute. Who has their little eye thing on here? Anybody, you gonna do it, sir? Give us 1 second.
Guys,
I can actually figure out by doing the math.
pull the ROV tether.
But we're gonna
Out.
we're gonna ask you one more
Pull it
math
out.
question. Math question is, what is C equal to? There's 3 possible answers. What is C equal to? I want to know the equation in two different equations relating to the c as the speed of light.
I can't
So,
get to the servers. I told
one
them to go to the
involves
servers and they didn't.
frequency, wavelength. The other one involves
surface, guys.
mass and E. Not the little e you said, but the big E, energy.
I'll just follow.
If anybody can give me what, if anyone give me what the value of over here on the right, what two?
Pull me out too if you can.
Wait, we have 5 minutes. We can go find the.
Yeah, but they'll never pull their way back.
We know. We can find the ball.
All right.
I don't know that one.
Could you take the kelp out of there?
Please.
That's for the speed of light.
Ah,
Okay, well, give me the simpler ones. Give me the one that involves just two variables.
all right.
What's the most simplest equation relating to the speed of light is equal
Okay, I'm
to?
back in the water.
Found some kelp.
I think it's the most, in my mind, it's the most
They
important
put
because I'm a
me back in the water.
telecommunications engineer. Oh, man.
laughing
You have the
at
right
me.
variables. Sir?
All right. So where's the blue switch? You have
I don't know.
You have the right variables, but there's a screw to. Okay, very good. You got it right. Speed of light is equal to frequency times lambda. Yeah.
Far down.
So, young man, here.
Okay, great.
Katie,
Oh,
you want me
great
to
there.
just go
Okay,
back?
so now, yeah, you can go back as well. Great.
Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Okay, yeah. Go for it.
When I get back, guys, pull me out and leave me out. Oh. I am done, but he's still looking.
I'm going to have to do the math here.
Try not to steal any more, you go.
7,000? It's either 7,000 or 4,000.
This is here though. I don't like this. This is a box. I can't travel over that box.
Okay, well then, go for it.
Mark is doing the math.
It's intuitively obvious because you know that
Okay.
by definition, one wavelength is longer than the other. So the color blue is a higher frequency than the color red. All right?
No,
So
longer wavelength. Oh, no, you're right. You're right. Higher frequency,
higher
shorter
frequency,
wavelength.
shorter wavelength. So frequency times wavelength equals a constant, which is C. So if blue has the higher frequency,
We can make
that
some
means the
sushi
wavelength
rolls
is
now.
going to be longer. I'm sorry, shorter.
Okay, so we know.
If red has the lower frequency,
All right, there we go.
then the wavelength will be longer. So
we go.
we know that, therefore, we just said that
Please pull
red
me out.
is longer than blue, right? Therefore,
Yes.
7,000 is longer than 4,000. 7,000 is the right answer. And
Yes.
Take it out and then your 5-minute breakdown will start.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
What's up?
That was awesome.
Good job, guys.
We got some kelp.
Okay, by the way, the nerds have stopped the clock and they're cleaning up.
the nerds are cleaning up. So we got distracted here. It's in my case, it's a I have attention deficit disorder, which combined with speed of light makes me distracted. I see a bright mathematical future for that young man. Make sure that, ma'am, are you his mother? His mother?
That's ours, yes.
Are you his mother? No, the game. Thank
Get
you.
him up here. Let's
No dating until he graduates from college. Okay? Don't. No, dating will interfere with your ability to focus. Trust me.
Man, and I can actually read binary too.
Come on up here.
I'm just kidding. What's your name, young man? Let's come here for a second. I'm with the government. I'm here to help you.
I unplugged it out.
Oh, okay.
Trust me.
Okay, while the nerds are cleaning up, we're going to talk to a young man. Mark just had a quick competition here and threw out a couple of questions, which were...
So the two questions we did, some of you may have heard in the background. One was I was asking how many angstroms. Turn around, young man. Here. We're here. All right. So what is your name? Turn around. Face the camera.
Aiden.
All right, Aiden. So we need name. Here. Now this is Aiden, and basically we asked Aiden a couple questions. We asked him. We actually asked the group, what is